Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable push notifications from the Facebook mobile app for iOS and Android devices. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you have to do is sign into the Facebook mobile app and select your profile icon at the top right. Go ahead and select that. And then under the settings and privacy, you may have to expand it and then select settings. Underneath preferences, select notifications and then scroll all the way to the bottom here where it says where you receive notifications. It says push. Go ahead and select that. So basically push notifications, it'll either vibrate on your phone or there'll be a little pop-up. That's basically what push notifications are. They're going to be pushed to your device. So you can turn off if you do not want sounds to play on your computer, as well as if you have logged out notifications when you're logged out of your device. So you can basically turn off all of these here if you so choose to do so. And that's pretty much all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.